Today, we embark on an exotic journey to uncover the intriguing history and extraordinary health benefits of one of nature's delicious gifts, the papaya. The papaya, a tropical fruit known for its vibrant color and luscious flavor, has a history as fascinating as its health benefits. Join me on a journey through time as we explore the rich history and incredible health benefits of this remarkable fruit. We begin our journey by exploring the historical roots of the papaya. Believe it or not, this vibrant fruit has a fascinating history that dates back thousands of years. The papaya, scientifically known as Carica papaya, is believed to have originated in Central America, particularly in Mexico and Belize. The Mayans and Aztecs revered the papaya tree as a sacred symbol of fertility and abundance. The fruit was highly regarded by the ancient Mayans and Aztecs, who referred to it as the fruit of the angels due to its sweet taste and numerous health benefits. Mayans and Aztecs offering papayas. These ancient civilizations recognized the papaya's digestive properties and used it as a natural remedy for various ailments. Its rich content of papain, an enzyme that aids in digestion, made it a prized fruit. Fascinatingly, Spanish explorers encountered the papaya during their voyages to the New World in the 16th century. Recognizing its allure, they transported this exotic treasure across the globe, introducing it to Asia, Africa, and beyond. Today, papayas thrive in many tropical regions worldwide. They thrive in countries like Brazil, India, Indonesia, and the Philippines. In fact, did you know that papayas are the fourth most cultivated fruit globally? Quite impressive. The popular and widely known 8 papaya varieties, Solo, Maridal, Red Lady, Tinang, Caribbean Red, Kapoho, Waimanalo and Sunrise. Papaya is a treasure trove of health benefits that the papaya holds. First and foremost, papayas are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, they provide an array of health-boosting elements. Loaded with vitamin C, papayas bolster your immune system and promote healthy skin. Papayas are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. Additionally, papayas are rich in dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting a healthy gut. They contain a unique enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins and can assist in easing digestive discomfort. Also, eating papaya daily, you can eliminate a heartburn effectively based on my own experience. But the benefits don't stop there. Research suggests that papayas may have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. The presence of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lycopene, and other phytonutrients, makes papayas a powerful ally in maintaining overall well-being. But wait, there's more. The papaya's fiber content supports healthy cholesterol levels, making it an ally in maintaining cardiovascular health. It's no wonder that cultures worldwide have embraced this fruit as part of their balanced diets. Furthermore, papayas are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a balanced diet for weight management. Whether you prefer to enjoy papaya fresh, juice, in a smoothie, or as part of a delicious recipe, this fruit provides a burst of tropical goodness and a myriad of health benefits. Now that we know how nutritious papayas are, let's talk about how versatile they can be in the kitchen. From juice, smoothies and salads to salsas and desserts, papayas add a delightful touch to a wide range of dishes. Papaya fruit can be in a great tasty plate composition with other fruits. Delicious papaya, orange and banana shakes. Recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 of papaya peeled, no seeds, 1 orange peeled, 1 ripe banana peeled. Directions: mix all ingredients in a blender until smooth. Your shake is ready. Their luscious, tropical flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory ingredients, making them a chef's dream ingredient. And if you're feeling adventurous, don't forget to try green papayas. They are unripe papayas and are used in many Asian cuisines. You can shred them into salads or use them in stir-fries for a unique and slightly tangy twist. From ancient civilizations to modern-day kitchens, papayas have come a long way, enchanting us with their exotic taste and numerous health benefits. So, the next time you come across a papaya, remember the incredible journey it has taken to reach your plate. From its ancient origins to its current status as a beloved fruit across cultures, the papaya has truly left an indelible mark on our world. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.